What's that thing? You want to smell it? See? It's okay. You get your babies? All your babies down there? This is, what's today? The 29th? So that makes them a week old today. I thought it'd be cool just to, oh, look, we just missed the biggest yawn ever. Oh, there's a little mow. But it was the hugest yawn ever. There it is, there it is, there it is. Got it on camera. I gotta zoom in for the little fellas. So, 1 week old. You guys are waking me up, 'cause he's so loud. And I'm gonna bite my brother, because I think he got a nipple on his forehead, and I'm not too bright. I keep typing in Erath, but he's all black, so maybe he should be another Joe. Joe, is that your name? Who's that? You heard some little kids? Did you hear some kids? You heard some kids, huh? There's another big yawn, 2 big yawns. So they're 1 week old. The other one's down here. Is the other one busy? Yeah, the other one's always under here. Getting some. Who's your girl? These two, look at these two. These two are kind of inseparable already. That's interesting because they come from the same cat. There was 2 fathers. Yeah. Oh, kitten yawns. Kitten yawns. Here, let me zoom in. America, we can have kitten yawns. If Freya keep her head out of the way. I'm trying to zoom in here. Kitten yawns. You got Freya. Maybe my camera broke. I did drop it that day. Oh, they're cleaning each other. Oh, another kitten yawn. Let me adjust on something else and then come back. That'll work better. Oh well. Look at Freya's nose. Say bye to everybody, Freya. Freya, you want to say goodbye? Look. Is she cool or what with the goatee? She's a good mama too. Been in that box almost like all week. She tried to go out the house once. I picked up one of her babies. She done ran back in. She don't like me being in the room unless she's in here. So she's doing good. I thought I'd kind of end things that had been kind of crazy on like a note of life and a note of joy. You know what I mean? That's what my room is. It's like really a testament to joy in life, you know? I mean, yeah, I'm a rebel and I'm American and Jesus, you know? And life is life. And these are all my angels. And you guys know about this, right? And how they came to me. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I've never shown you these things before. You've seen me wear them. You've seen me wear the ring before. I don't know if I've ever shown you this before. But all these came to me before the cards came to me. And it was like a new path was coming to me, you know? Even though I hold to... what, guys? Well, anyways. Peace out.